Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you all how to change your Snapchat username in 2022. So first of all, you need to watch full video till the end, then you will know how to change Snapchat username 100% correctly. And please subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, so first of all, you need to open up your Snapchat account. Okay, then simply you need to tap on your profile and then go to right button and simply tap on settings. Okay, then scroll down, simply scroll down, and then you need to find out feedback section and click on I spotted. Then scroll down and tap on your profile. Okay, here you need to write down a important text why you want to change your Snapchat username. Okay, so I write down one important text. I try to suggest you. I put this text on my description box. If you want, you can just copy and paste here. Okay, so what I need to write down, have a look please. I want to change my Snapchat username. Then need to write down here new username. Then look as this is incorrect username. That means you need to show them accurate reason why you want to change your Snapchat username. You just write down here you want to change username because before username or previous username was wrong, that's why you want to change username. Okay, then you need to add a attachment. Where you can get attachment, just take a screenshot of your Snapchat profile. I already take a screenshot. Look. Okay, then you need to choose a topic. Just simply scroll down and try to find out my profile, but just click here on my profile, then submit. Simply submit. Okay, once you tap on submit, okay, then you might be get an email. Just you need to talk with a Snapchat team. They might be asking you some security question like why you want to change your Snapchat. You need to just tell them the accurate reason you want to change your username because your username was wrong. Okay, so if you can provide them accurate reason, then Snapchat team, they will take 3 to 7 working days, then they can successfully change your Snapchat username. This is the only one way you can change your Snapchat username. Okay, so if you want to know anything about Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook or CPA marketing or affiliate marketing or Fiverr or Upwork marketing, you can comment me on video section. Okay, and please, if you like this video, comment and subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video. So see you soon on next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.